Hey Pixel fans, this is the Caseology tempered glass for the Google Pixel 7a. I'll be showing you my step-by-step instructions. This is a pack of 2 glass screen protectors in case you mess up the first one. There are some cleaning wipes, microfiber cloth, instruction. We don't need that, I'll be showing you my way. And there's 2 glass, let's grab one, put it aside. First, you'll have to clean the device. My Pixel 7a is brand new, I still have the paper on top, but you're the factory protector. Clean the screen. I know I just took off the protector and it's clean, no dust, but let's do it anyway. Let's wipe it down. Fit on top, like that. We'll snap it in. Okay, now we'll use the dust removal sticker to remove any dust you see, to install the glass screen protector. So peel back the protective film and just drop it down and do a press and slide. You can take out the, or you can just push it out like that. Here it is. This is the Caseology tempered glass for the Pixel 7a. Let me show you the details on the corners and the install. Looks good. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.